Right now, tornado survivors in North St. Louis are preparing for these dangerous temps, and some still don't have AC. Some don't even have roofs on their homes. Our Justina Cornell is in North St. Louis tonight near Ashland and Newstead.
Well, on that corner, I met a group of volunteers who are just wanting to help. Now they need more water, ice, and tents to keep cool as this heat creeps in.
It's a scorcher. This grill's at least probably 300, 325. Constant.
As Sharon Mathis grills, the sun also bakes.
So hopefully I can just, find a way to stay as cool as possible.
Trying to keep cool as the dangerous heat smothers the area, no matter how hot it gets. This group on Newstead and Ashland will continue.
And whether it's hot or cold, there's still a hungry soul out there.
It all started with a group of strangers.
We've got plenty of water, ice we can always use.
Larry Gray lives across the street. His damaged home has no AC.
A little bit nervous. I have a generator, that's going, so that helps, a lot.
He's one of many tornado survivors who will face the dangerous digits. To help, St. Louis City has cooling centers. We're told Affinia Healthcare is working on a plan to go to tornado zones for wellness checks. The Red Cross will send crews to hand out information, and the People's Response will deploy teams as well.
A lot of these people lived in these homes 6 generations, 5 generations. They're not going to leave. They just cannot abandon their post because anything, could happen to it.
Food truck owner Mathis knows it's needed.
So we have a young lady who comes by and she picks up about 40 meals, 50 meals, going up and down the streets, making sure that people at least have something hot.
The heat brings a tough fight, but this group knows it can go from stranger to stronger.
The tornado, it brought in some devastation, but at the same time, I think it brought in some unity among the people here in St. Louis.
Now, I reached out to the city's health department to see what their heat plan is. Will they have shuttles or will they also deploy teams? But I have not heard back. As for the group behind me here, they operate from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. and you can donate at any time. Reporting live, Justina Cornell, 5 on your side.